everyone and welcome to Damosa Land 360. I'm Jin and today we will be exploring one of Davo's premier condominium developments, Seawind by Damosa Land. Seawind is a 6-tower mid-rise condominium project of a Davao-based real estate developer, Damosa Land. It is strategically located at Kilometer 11, Barangay Satsa, Buhangin District here in Davao City. It is nearby key places around the city such as the Davao International Airport and the Davao Samal Ferry Terminal. Today we are here at the entrance of one of the 6 buildings and we're going to explore a 3-bedroom combined unit. What we're featuring right now is one of the bigger units here in Seawind, where you have 3 bedrooms and an extra spacious common area. I'm really excited, so let's go! Wow, this is huge! So spacious and airy. Perfect for bigger families, right? What can we possibly do in here? You can have more space for your furnitures and decors. You can install a home theater system or do some fitness routine in here or place a study table right next to these windows. By the way, what sets this 3-bedroom unit apart from all other units is that the living space has its own AC unit provision. But if you want to catch some fresh air, you just open this door and it will directly lead you to your first balcony. With such an awe-inspiring view. This area is allocated for your dining space. You can fit a 6 to 8-seater dining table, perfect for your Friday night dinner with friends or a Sunday lunch with family. Up next is your kitchen area. Just like any other units here in Seawind, this comes with a free-range hood and a double-burner induction cooker. Lastly, all these cabinets for your storage needs. Next, we would like to show you the bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. It has an AC unit provision and can accommodate up to 2 persons using a bunk bed. By the way, these walls are designed and built with such thickness that ensures privacy for each unit owner, most particularly for noise concerns. Next up is bedroom 2. Basically, this second bedroom has the same features like the previous one, except that it is bigger and it has its own balcony. Last but not the least, the master bedroom. Well, this room is perfect for the king and queen of the family because it can fit a queen-size bed and it has ensuite toilet and bath. Before I forget, this 3-bedroom unit has high ceiling which allows cooler airflow. And to wrap things up, we're gonna show you the common toilet and bath. You've got wider space with provision for your washing machine, so you got your family's laundry covered. And now let's see how this unit would look like once fitted out. We've just finished checking out the unit and it's about time to see the rest of the property amenities. Off we go! One of the greatest features about Seawind condominium is this resort-like clubhouse with half an Olympic-sized swimming pool and lounge areas. On top of that, you can also host your own exclusive events in this activity area, or you can just simply laze around on a unique weekend. Ah, perfect for summer, isn't it? This project gives so much regard to the holistic well-being of its residents, allocating 75% of the entire property to amenities, parks, gardens, and road networks. There you have it, guys. That is Seawind by Damosa Land featuring a 3-bedroom combined unit. Don't forget to subscribe to Damosa Land's YouTube channel and make sure to click the bell button to stay updated. Also, follow us on our social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram. Lastly, please visit our website at damosaland.com. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Jin, and as we always like to say it, welcome to Damosa Land. It's good to be home.